his gloves, and he looks to the clouds, all pink and disheveled. There must be some blueprint, some creed of the devil inscribed in our minds. The hideous game vanishes in thin air, vanity of space. Who wants to be there to sweep the debris, to harness dead horses, to ride in the sun? A life of confessions, written with the dust. Out in the mangroves, the mind and birds cry, and the shadows of self of the trollers drift by. They chew and dried meat in a house of disrepute, the dust of opiates and syphilis, patience and brush your vacations. Fear has a glare that traps you like searchlights. You return stare, your souls are fluorescent. The skin of your robot vibrates with pleasure. Matrons and jewels crowds in the parlor, their hand-grenade eyes, invalid and blind. Slave.